So hello YouTube, in this video I'll be teaching you how I got this beautiful cake. Yeah, basically that's just it. I'll be teaching you how I got this beautiful cake. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let's head straight into the video. So welcome back guys. So in this video I will be this is basically a simple buttercream design. Which palette knife will I use? I think I should use this big one. So I don't know, I just covering this cake with blue buttercream or navy blue, and finishing it up with some drips and gold splash and gold sugar sheets. So continue with the video. Let's go. Okay. So I'm gonna be cleaning my table. Then I'll be heading back with some drips and my gold elements. So heading back, I'm just gonna be adding my partial drips and going over to bring my good elements. Continuing, I think this is my front. I'm just going to be dropping some gold splashes here. I will be using my where is my front? I think this should be my front. So I'm finishing off. Sorry guys, I decided not to clean the cake board. I just felt it's part of the design, or maybe I'm just too lazy. Whichever one you feel works for you, that's my excuse. So I'm just gonna be adding a topper. Basically. Then I will be adding some gold leaves to just solidify the design and make it unique, more unique. Some large gold leaves. So yeah, I think it's basically it. So I've come to the end of this video. This was actually just a quick one. So please do to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me if this video helped you in any way. So I think I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.